This is the SHW Tim Rolling Adjustable Laptop Cart with a tilting desktop and side shelf. It's a new addition to our existing line of laptop carts, and it has some pretty cool features. So the main desktop on the left has a larger surface, and it's tiltable. There are levers at the bottom that you can twist to loosen or tighten, which allows you to customize the angle of the desktop however you like. It's great for keeping your computer or tablet device at a comfortable viewing angle. This stopper here is actually deceivingly useful. Not only does it prevent things from falling, but the groove here allows space for your thumb to get in and open a laptop screen. You can also put your pens or pencils here. On the right side, there's a smaller desktop that stays fixed. It's perfect for putting your mouse, phone, notepads, or other items that you'd rather keep on a level surface. The height adjustment feature is extremely useful. You can manually raise or lower the height just by twisting this knob. If you like to move this around different rooms, you'll probably be using this function the most. Finally, there are 4 wheels with locks on 2 of them. It's super convenient to wheel it around wherever you need it, and the height is low enough to fit under most furniture. So there you have it. Can be used anywhere you need a portable, elevated surface. The tilting feature is especially useful when you need that extra viewing angle to see your content.